Hello football fans, keep up the enthusiasm to support your favorite club. From the French league competition, Kylian Mbappé is the top scorer for Paris Saint-Germain with a total of 201 goals in 247 matches at the age of 24. And now, Fbn8 Chanel will be showing a celebratory moment for Kylian Mbappé at Parc des Princes. If you like this Fbn8 channel, don't forget to press the subscribe and like buttons. Thank you.